Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change our location in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now guys, what we want to do is change our location. For that, let's go to settings. Initially, let's click on this profile tab right here. Once you're in the profile tab, from here, what we need to do is simply go to settings. The button's right here at the top right. It's a gear-like icon. Simply click on it and this will open up. Well, there's something like basic info, notifications, privacy and everything. Now let's look at it. Simply click on the top tab, that's basic info. And right here is the location. Well, from here you can change your gender, name. Do note, to update your date of birth, you need to contact Badoo. Now let's simply focus on location. I'm gonna cross this location right here. And in this text box, I simply want to type the location I want to be in. And right here is the location I want to change to. Once everything's done, that is once you have selected your location, simply click on save. And guys, that's it. That's how we change your location. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.